billion surprise toy.
Fruit salad, salad, fruit salad. Yummy and healthy fruit salad. Let's eat the fruits in a yummy way. Yummy and healthy fruit salad. Banana, apple, strawberries, blueberries, kiwi fruit. Watermelon. Oh, it's gonna be a fruit salad treat. One banana, one banana. One. Peel the banana, slice it nice. Slice, slice, slice. Two apples, two apples. One and two. Chop up apples, chop up apples. Chop up, chop up. Three kiwi fruit, three kiwi fruit. One, two, three. Peel the kiwi fruit, slice it nice. Slice, slice, slice. Four strawberries, four strawberries. One, two, three, four. Slice the strawberries, slice it nice. Slice, slice, slice. Five blueberries, five blueberries. One, two, three, four, five. Take a portion off a watermelon. Slice it nice. Now it's time to mix the fruits. Mix, mix, yummy fruits. Mix, mix, mix. Yum, yum, yummy fruit salad. It's time to eat the fruit salad. Yum, yum, yum. Yum,